John McCagg here with Liberty Aid Academy. We're at libertyaidacademy.org, and we're the only school that provides proof that our students have wonderful outcomes from using our methodologies. Use this trust, and then you get all these financial benefits from it. This is the Trust Crash Course. We'll just give you the overview. If you want more information, go to libertyaidacademy.org. Just go there. It asks for your email, and then you get the email and more information that kind of spells out what I'm saying here. Comes in that email. And okay, let's go through it. A Trust Crash Course. What is Liberty Aid Academy? Liberty Aid Academy teaches our students to radically improve their lifestyle with legal, easy to use financial methods not widely known, but proven by testimonials to work for all of our students. Our courses all use copyrighted, unique material only used at our school. All our students' testimonials have a notarized affidavit proving their outcomes, and testimonials are 100% real by real people just like you. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah, go check out the testimonials. It's just going to make you so happy to see them. Okay, so these are the courses at Liberty Aid Academy. First thing you do is you get that Trust 101 course, open your trust, you get out of the bank. Yay, tax free forever, reporting free forever. And then you get into the Business Finance 101 course if you want to learn how to build credit for that trust. Learn to build credit, much better credit over there than your personal credit, higher limits, lower fees, and it actually helps to carry balances in this instance. So that's just amazing. Also, in the past, that financing got PPP and EIDL loans. Go check out the testimonials. Uh, and then once you get those basic level courses under your belt, right? Then we have Patreon where you could get into the mentor program and the inner circle. That's how you use the trust to get all these benefits and everything. It's amazing. Very affordable too. Uh, okay, so you get the course, you made your donation, and this is what it looks like. You get an online forum. We're an online school, and your courses are on the right, like that McKeag Mastery Trust. We have FAQ all set up for you, and then we have this amazing thing called a community forum, and that's where all the students, all your classmates, have been mixing it up since we started this school. Is in there, all this information, the how to. It's students have figured out a lot of things themselves too, and they share it in there. It's really wonderful. So, what are the benefits of opening this trust? Well, here's some of them, and this is what we teach you in the school. A trust benefits, monthly cash benefit payment, uh, EBT food stamps, a smartphone uh, for free cell phone service, free internet, free electricity, free health insurance, free housing, free college, free graduate school, and much better credit. Other benefits, these are exemptions you could get with the trust. No IRS taxes, no IRS filing, no state taxes, no business taxes. That's right, no business taxes. The day you start using this trust, you quit using your LLC bank account or whatever, and you're using this trust, no taxes for any business. Any business. But no personal taxes, no property taxes, no sales taxes, no vaccines, no jail or detainment. Miraculous, yes, but it works 100% of the time. No crypto taxes. You got your crypto, you're worried about taxes, you don't have to worry about that anymore. No inheritance taxes for anyone. Can you imagine all that? What a list. We teach that at Liberty Aid Academy, and we have proof that it works for our students. We have testimonials. Each testimonial has a notarized affidavit, so you know it's by someone real. Okay, and these are exact quotes pulled from those testimonials. You saved my life. Even though it doesn't look like much has changed, everything has changed. Dee Dee Rosa. Thank you, Dee Dee. Meaning you're not reporting. You're not paying taxes. All these invisible things have benefited you. It's wonderful. Greg, what does Greg say? Liberty Aid Academy's support has been vital in the creation of this trust. Any questions or concerns they answered, the whole community has been a big support. The proverbial weight or fear has been lifted and will be continuing with all of John's work. Isn't that wonderful to hear? Yeah, you got to check out what the outcomes people have had. Everyone uh, has a positive outcome for this. I listed all the things. There are more too in the mentor program that you could get more benefits than all those listed. And if you need to get in touch with us, it's really easy. Uh, these are the different ways. Okay, but best way, if you have any particular questions, just email us. We're happy to hear from you and let you know any information that you're wondering about. Okay? All right. Get the trust, change your life, put all this money back in your pocket, and give yourself back a whole bunch of time that you don't have to spend interacting with the government. Now you get to live your life.